I am gonna be looking on I'm gonna be looking at graphs, line graphs. And today I'm gonna be looking at. Okay, let's see. Yeah, kitten weight. So So this kitten so this happy kitten here, let's see, had ate some had a big weight of change. So let's see. I'm gonna so he we so his first weight was 2 pounds. 2 pounds. His next weight was 3 pounds. His next weight was 6 pounds. His next weight was 30 pounds. His next weight was 40 pounds. And his next weight was 3 pounds. His next weight was 45. And then his next weight was 50 pounds. So, first of all, for a line graph, we need 2 lines. The y-axis, the y-axis, and the x-axis. So here is the y-axis, and here is the x-axis. So up here, we're gonna be putting some dots. Now, for some of you, dots are real fun, and for some of others of you, they are not so fun. It depends what. So let's put some dots here. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 days. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, oh, 1. And then we of course need this dot, which I'm actually gonna make in a different color. And I'm gonna label it. Label this dot, the green dot. I'm gonna label the green dot in green. And the green dot is equal to 0. So the rest of the dots, this dot is gonna be equal to 5. This dot is gonna be equal to 6. This dot is gonna be equal actually this dot is gonna be equal to 10. Now in line graphs you can't just go and randomly put in dots. You have to have them in some kind of order, like by 5. So 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40. Okay, so next we have to actually make the actual line graph. But first, so we put these are the days: day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7, day 8. So let's go back to the dot. Okay. So first dot is 2. It's less than 5, so it's about here. Next dot is 3. It's a little bit higher, but then this is 3. Okay, so next dot is 6. It's higher than 5, but lower than 10. The dot on the 4th day, is 30. It's big change. Dot on the 4th day, the 5th day is 40. I did the dot on. Okay, the next one is 3. That right there. The dramatic dot, then 35, and then 50. Let's just put that back. So now we need to start connecting the dots. So let's connect the dots. Here's the dots. Here we go. Whoa. Then that's even higher. Whoa, that's low. Then there. And finally on the 8th, it's 50. So let's see here. So we have this graph for this kitten. But what if we have another kitten? Let's put his graph down here. And we want to compare the two. Now this kitten weighed 3 pounds, 4 pounds. This is, and that's 34 pounds, 5 pounds, 6 pounds, 8 pounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I'm gonna connect this. I'm gonna put the dot right here. 5 exactly on this dot. 6 about right here. 8 goes to here, and then let's go up to 10. 10. Now let's take the skull below and connect it. So let's take the skull. Okay, so actually, if you noticed what I am doing, I am connecting the lines in the line graph. Okay, so we have this line graph. Now, I have a question for you to answer. Which kitten has the greater weight on day 1? So I'm gonna give you a minute to think about this one, and I'll come back then. Okay, so I'm back. I'm not sure if that was exactly a minute, but so I labeled these. The black line is kitten A and the yellow line is kitten B. So if you answered kitten A, the one with the black line, that will be incorrect because the line here is shorter than here. Yes, it's short, higher by a lot up here, but it's shorter here. So day one, we go up here and we see that this is the highest one. Now, if it's on the same line right here, it doesn't really matter. It can be that way either way. And I have one more question for you about if you good enough, you like this one. If you're not sure. And remember, this dot is 50. So 50. What's So the question is, what is the difference between how much kitten A ate on day 7 and how much kitten B ate on day 7? What is the difference? So I'll come back in a couple of seconds. So think about it. Keep thinking. Okay, so I'm back and and we and I hope you got the answer because let's see here. So on day 7, this kitten A ate 35 and kitten B ate 10. So 45 minus 10 is 35. That the answer was 35. Now, I have one more question for you before I go. Think about this one while I'm gone. Which kitten ate more? Thanks for watching and bye.